Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we continue to our next controller. Let me have a look where we left. Entities, contact. I guess we finished contact and we should have continued with the home page. Let me have a look. Home page, area, admin, controller. Yep. Let's add this controller. Add controller, empty home page controller. Let's copy from another controller. Oops, wrong place. Now it's alright. Let's delete it. Private read only home page service. Home page service. Create constructor. Perfect. Let's copy from category. Control C. Control V. Let's change the service first. Oh, change wrong place. Yeah. Perfect. Okay. It's the same name. Alright. Home page copy. Get home page list. Home page list again. So this is working. Add home page. Add home page and home page 8 remodel. Perfect. Yep. Next one. Update category. Home page. Again. Home page. Home page. Next one. Home page. Home page. Update. Update home page and the name of the redirection command. Delete home page, delete home page, and redirection command. Okay, Control RG. Let's start with the list. Everything's correct. How many data we have home page first? Let's have a look. Then we're going to copy from one to another again. Our tables. Categories a little bit less. Maybe we can copy from contact. First add our model list. What was the name of the our entity? Home page. Home page list remodel. Control dot. Here we go. Let's copy to view import. Very well. Let's go back. Contacts. Oh, not that one. Sorry. Views contact. Get contact list. Let's copy all of HTML codes. Oops. Select all. Yeah, now alright. Let's start amending. Dashboard is alright. Have a look how many data we need to demonstrate to the user. Home page list. Create date, update date, video link. 1, 2, Actually, video link for we can just write yes or no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 column is gonna be okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's delete that one, and we're going to have the rest of them. Let's delete that one. Okay. So, what was the name of the props? Header description video link. Oh, header description video link. Created, updated, edit, and delete. Alright. Item.header, item.description, but description might be long. Should I? I'm not gonna put a description here. No, description is unnecessary. I'm gonna delete it from where is the description? On page list description. Delete it. Yep. Yeah, I don't need description. Okay. Header video link. Headers. Yep, video link. Item map dot video link null if null or string empty, not assigned and assigned. Okay, create updated, perfect. Now the name of controller home page, let's copy up and paste. ID. There is nothing to the change. Yeah, copy and paste. Home page, dashboard, contact us. Let's change the home page. Dashboard. Okay, let's have a quick look now. I'm waiting. Perfect. Header, video link, created date, updated, edit and delete. Perfect. Let's close this window and continue with the add method. Home page controller and add home page, add view, browser view. We got our layout, add. Model, what was the name of the home page? Home page, add v model. And let's copy again. Where's the contact? Add contact, yep. Admin contact dashboard. Admin home page. Get home page list and home page. Alright. This is add, correct. Home page and add home page. Post, perfect. There is no picture. Yeah. Now header is 12. Yep. Header. Second one is text area, perfect. description, 12, and yeah, we need to check for update. Oh, sorry. On page update, video link, and yeah, it's gonna be the last one, video link. Where's update home page controller? Go to view, yeah, description, video link. What is the problem here right now? What's the problem? What is the problem? Video link, let's make it 12. Video link, video link, type text. Is there any problem here? Interesting. Let's make Control Z. Let's have a look. No. Something different, guys. Let's fix this one. So I don't need it. I'm gonna delete it. Anyway. Yeah, it's all good. The problem was the other one. Alright, 12. But we need the hidden ones. No, this is the ad, right? So we need to check for the ad home page. Add view header description with all. Thanks all. Alright, let's make the copy on page controller. Sorry, update. Add view. Browser view. It's a layout name ad. We already finished. Quit the later while we were listening. Let's add model first. Update view model. Add home page. Let's copy from here. Is there any problem? Video link, dashboard, homepage. So guys, forget to change the title. Homepage. So it's gonna be add new. No, it's update homepage, and it's going to be add new. All right, all good. Let's make it update homepage, post. Let's add input hiddens. ASP4 ID. raw version. By the way, this homepage, we don't have any file. Okay, raw version, that's all. It's going to be enough. So it must be fully work right now. Get homepage list, we model in browser. Let's add first. Submit. Here we go. Edit. Submit. Edit again. Yeah, we can see everything is changed. Alright, let's delete it. And it's gone. Perfect. Alright guys, let's finish this lesson here and let me have a look at our entities. After homepage we're going to go through with the portfolio. Okay, let's finish this lesson here and see you on other lesson. Bye bye.